For me, or anyone who joins the Royal Air Force, you join as a full-time service. You still work in an NHS hospital because we recognise that they're pioneering in medical treatments and medical facilities. One of the things that were appealing to me when I joined the Air Force was the accommodation offer. So having the opportunity to leave university but not have to move home, because I was now going to work for an employer that would secure my accommodation, secure my dental and medical treatments, secure my gym membership, to come to an organisation which is essentially it's an extension of your family.
I can manage my own time to be able to be the mum I want to be, as well as still having a full-time serving career.
Not only are you getting paid, but you're also getting your education paid for.
Best experiences have been the people that I've met and worked with in the RAF.
Being able to start a second career.
If we want to do some further training, then we are supported to do that.
We've got flexible service, so if you come back from maternity leave, you can do reduced hours, or even if you haven't come back from maternity leave and you want to do flexible service, these things are now available to you. So we're getting into the 21st century as an employer. I didn't want to be overworked and underpaid. I wanted to feel valued by my employer. So if you're somebody that has got a lot of energy and wants to give and wants to do something completely different with your nursing, then certainly the Air Force is for you, because nursing is one thing, but when you take that nursing and you do it on the back of a helicopter or you do it on the back of a C-17 in that environment where it's just this camaraderie and teamwork and you're all working towards the same goal, it's priceless.